Next page. All right, so example number 2. So let's write our formula first. V equals 1/3. Oh, let's see. B, capital area of the base times height. Okay, let's go ahead and shade and draw our base. Oh, so I'm going to do that. I normally did it in blue, but can't see it, so. So this is the base. Let's draw it. It's a circle. Is my base. Whoa. My base. And my radius, or the information it gives me. Well, it gives me the diameter. So the radius is halfway, which is 5 inches. Let's go ahead. So it's a circle, so we want to know the area. So a pi radius, pi radius squared. So we get pi times radius, which is 5 inches, squared. I'm actually going to do it like that. 5 inches times 5 inches is a 25 inches squared. And then we can write it as 25 pi square inches. That'll be our exact answer. Something about that B doesn't look like. One more time. Let's hope this is the one. Okay, that's better. I don't really think it is. And then let's go ahead and approximate. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Approximate our answer. Remember that for pi, we are using 3.14. You could also use pi if you want an exact answer. But for our purposes, I'll use 3.14. I can't even do this right. Maybe if I do it slower, 3.14. All right, cool. So 25 times pi, 25 times 3.14. Remember, you can actually use the real pi, like, in Desmos or whatever, or your calculator, but I'm going to use that. So we get area of the base is approximately 78. I can't even draw my 78 right, or write my 78 right. 78. Okay, I can do this. 78. Okay. I don't know what was happening. Inches squared. It's approximately 78.5 square inches. Now, let's not forget the height. So our height right here is 12 inches. No, I can't even do this. Dude, I'm having issues with this. Okay. I'm not going to jinx myself. So 1/3 area of the base was 25 pi. Square inches. And I will multiply it by 12 inches. And remember right here, I can just multiply 1/3, 25, and 12. So 25 times 12 is 300. Cool. And then I have to put it over this 3. 25 pi inches times inches times inches is inches to the third. Cool. And I need to take into, if I can reduce this, and I can actually, that just becomes a regular number. 300 divided by 3 is 100. Don't be thrown off if you reduce it or if you can't reduce it. They'll be thrown off if you ever can't reduce this. Like if it's 7/3, just leave it like that. Just leave it like a fraction. You're fine. And then in your approximate like answer, well, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So 100 pi, or 100 pi cubic inches. So that's my exact answer. This is all janky for some reason. 100 pi cubic inches. Oh. Cool. This bothers me a little bit. Don't make me go back and correct. Oh, okay. You may. Oh, my bad. I know you like it when like I write the same thing 100 times. 100 pi cubic inches. Look at me. It just came out so nice this time. And so if I approximate it, so I'll get 300 and, well, let me just 14. Yeah, 314. I don't know why that's like simple math, because I used just 100 times 3.14. It was just too simple. I questioned myself. Okay. Statement, and then we're done. Apologize for the slowness on this. So the entire cone is made of, or it can hold, 300 or approximately 314 inch cubes. All right, I do want to stress, okay, so the reason why it's 1/3. So yesterday, if you remember, a cone is just V equals BH. Oh, my bad. Cylinder. So yesterday or last lesson, a cylinder is V equals BH. A cylinder equals V is, I can't even talk. A cylinder is V equals BH. A cylinder is V equals BH. A cylinder is V equals BH. A cone is V equals 1/3 BH. That's because 3 of these could like if you filled this with water, 3 of these could fit in like the corresponding cylinder. I'll give you I'll show you. So if I made this a cylinder, if I made this a cylinder, 3 of these cones worth of water would fit into the whole cylinder. I know it doesn't look like it, but 3 of these cones worth of water would fit directly into the cylinder. So what we basically do is we find the volume of the cylinder, V equals BH, but then we multiply it by 1/3 or divide by 3 so that we can get the cone. Yep, that's it. Awesome. Thank you.